Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny with Planner Perfect, and if you're new, welcome. I coach women how to write a better story for their lives, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing something that is new coming to Planner Perfect this week. Hi girls, listen, this is going to be a fun one. I'm going to turn you around and show you the deets on it, but it's really exciting because we actually got this kind of idea from a request from one of our customers. And when it got brought up to my attention for this idea, I was like, absolutely 100%. Us girls, us women need this. So it's a project book, and I can't wait to show you. It is really It's actually might have a little bit of an adjustment to it, but it's exactly the whole layout is like my recipe book. So if you're not familiar with that, it's just basically where you've got the project, you start time, materials needed, and you've got some little bit of paper after each project to kind of write it down and develop it. I've already got mine going. I can't wait to show you, and it'll last for as ever long as you need it. It's got like I think 12 or more different project pages. So whether it's crochet, sourdough, gardening, whatever habit that you want to start a new project on, I've got you covered, and I can't wait to show you. Hey you guys, here she be. Now obviously this is going to be like any of our prints, and that is that any of our journals and planners, and that you can pick your artwork and then pick your text and then pick your inside pages. So I chose this. I put the text saying projects, and then here it is. So this is going to be like my recipe book, but I'm going to show you how it's just, all we did was just kind of change things around a little bit, and it really makes for such a perfect book for projects. So so for this one I've got flower garden, and so there's these pots that I'll need. So that's the materials. Some stone I wanted to go to my mailbox. So as you can see, all the materials are here, some of the notes I have. And then because it's just so fun, I got dot grid, I drew flowers on here, which is kind of fun. So this will be for the front. I clipped in this is the week I'm gonna be doing the project, so I kind of love doing this. And this is for the backyard. And then full sun for the back. That's why I did the sun there. And then I have from my back patio, and then I did my vegetable and herb, and then around my mailbox. And then, so look at how beautiful it is. And I even have extra here. So there's plenty of room for however much you need for your projects. And then this was gonna be for crocheting, and I can't wait to do it. In my fans group, Lucy is over there on every Thursday evening doing her live. Right now we're working in doing a project, and we're crocheting, and I really wanna do that along with you guys. And it's the daisy granny is what I want to do, and so I'm going to be also drawing that out, sketching it, blah blah blah. It's just so exciting. And then also I know what I want to be doing, and I am already currently doing, is my sourdough. What a great place to be able to take notes of your bread, what worked, what didn't, hydration levels, yada yada yada, putting it in here. I'm so excited about this, and it just goes all the way through. So you guys know you've got your project page, you've got the blank page here, and then you've got two, so you've got like 3 double-sided pages. So let's see how many blank pages are. There's 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. There's going to be 5. Isn't that amazing? I just think it's just the perfect amount. So you guys, new in the store now.